Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, I introduce you to my next big project with my Elegoo Saturn. I'm 3D printing an entire armor set of the Mandalorian's armor from The Mandalorian on Disney+. Let's check it out. So, as some of you who follow my channel may know, I'm a huge Star Wars fan, and I've always wanted to 3D print some cosplayable armor, and The Mandalorian has a great set of armor and something that I could definitely see myself 3D printing. I'm 3D printing all of the armor as well as the jetpack, and I'll buy some of the clothing to complete the cosplay. It's a great set of armor, and I can't wait to finish it and see the finished product. So let's talk a little bit about what I started with. So I decided to start with the pauldrons just because I really like the Mudhorn sign on the right hand pauldron. I just really like the way they look, so I wanted to start with these. I was deciding between the helmet and then the pauldron. So I went with these. I printed them in two pieces because the Elegoo Saturn can't quite print the whole one, so I wanted to split it down the middle just because that creates a great seam for gluing. And the gluing went pretty well. I did have to use on the left hand side some of just crazy glue to hold it together. So the glue I used was this clear Gorilla Glue. So it is clear, so it doesn't leave all that residue behind, which is really nice, and there's not that foam that you typically see with normal Gorilla Glue or some of the other glues like Loctite or something. The only problem is that it is a slow acting, so I had to use a pair of wood clamps just to hold it in place. You only have to do that for about 2 hours before it bonds, and then it fully bonds in 24 hours. I'm very happy with it. As you can see on the right hand side, it's a clear seam, but there's no residue left behind, which I'm really proud about. The left hand side is the first one I did, and I needed to use a little bit of the older normal Gorilla Glue, which left that residue behind. I'll just have to sand it down later. So these were printed in some ABS-like resin on my Elegoo Saturn. I went with the gray because it shows detail a lot. So as you can see, this is on my shoulder, and I think it looks really good. I still need to work on the post-processing a little bit. I need to get some IPA because the mean green does okay, but it does not clean it as well. And then here's a great photo of the Mandalorian from the set photos. As you can see, the shoulder pauldron that I got is very accurate, which I'm going for because hopefully I can join the Mandalorian mercs when I'm all said and done with my print. Overall though, I'm very happy with these initial prints. I'm going to be doing the other parts in the following weeks. I'll probably sprinkle some different videos here and there just to, give some variety, as well as print some of the things you guys suggested in my last video I should print. So keep a lookout on those things. I'm definitely going to try to keep it fresh on my channel instead of, just posting another piece every single week. But I'm definitely really excited to finish and keep working on this project. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.